Hello friend, today we will see the installation of VMware ESXi 6.7 on physical server. You can download the ISO from below link. Uh, I will also paste this link in the description box. You should have the VMware account for this download, otherwise you cannot download the ISO from vmware.com. For this installation I am using the Dell physical hardware. The model number is Dell PowerS 720. I have already downloaded the ISO and attach it to the server. You can check the hardware compatibility from the below link. This link will help to check the compatibility to with any the VMware product with any VMware product. So now we are going to start our installation. This is the virtual console of our server. You can check that the ISO is already mounted, so I'm going to power on the server, powering on the server. As this installation will take lots of reboot, and this is the physical hardware, and it will take time to complete the boot process. So in this recording I will pause the video for several times. So now it's configuring the memory. Initializing the ID rack. We will go to the boot menu by entering the F11 key. I am pressing the F11 key. Now it's showing that entering the BIOS boot manager. It will take time to enter the BIOS boot manager, so I am pausing the video for some time. Now you can see the option BIOS boot menu. I am going to that. Scanning for devices. It will take couple of minutes. It will scan all the boot devices available with the server. As we have attached the ISO with the virtual media, so we will going to select the virtual CD-ROM, pressing the enter key. We will go with the standard installation of ESXi 6.7, pressing the enter key. Now it's loading all the files to the memory which is required for this installation. It will take a couple of minutes, so meanwhile I'm pausing the video. Initializing is completed. Now it's sorry, loading is completed. Now it's initializing all the packages and starting all the services which is required for this installation. It will also take time, so I'm again going to pause the video. Now we can see the we have option to press enter key to continue with the installation. We can cancel it by pressing the escape key. So I am pressing the enter key to begin continue with the installation. In the user license agreement we have to accept it, and so for that I am pressing the F11 key, accept and continue. It's scanning all the devices attached with this server for the installation. It will take few seconds. Now you can see that there are two devices currently attached with this server. One is the hard disk and second one is the SD card. You can see that you can see that star contains the VMFS partition. It means that it has already pre-installed ESXi, maybe the earlier version of the ESXi. You can see the details of these devices by pressing the F1 key. So I am pressing the F1 key. It is gathering the information for that device. So it will take few moments. You can see all the details, model, vendor, disk name, interface type. If this device already have the ESXi, it will also shown here. So I will press OK button. We will select the first one and press enter key to continue. So we are continuing. As this hard disk have already the earlier version of the ESXi, so we will get the three options. One is to upgrade the ESXi and preserve the existing VMFS data store. Second one is install the ESXi and preserve the VMFS data store. Install the ESXi means the fresh installation, and third one is the install the ESXi and override the existing VMFS data store. So we will, as this is the fresh installation, so we will select the third one by using the downward arrow key, and by pressing the space bar we will select it. So after the selection I am going to press the enter button to continue. Now we have to select the keyboard layout. I will go with the default, that is US default, pressing the enter key. Now we have to put the root password, so I am putting it. Pressing enter key to continue. Now it's gathering the system information. It will take a few minutes. Now you can see we are ready to install the ESXi 6.7. So I'm going to press F11 key to begin the installation. So pressing the F11. Now it's installing the ESXi 6.7. It will take time. So meanwhile I'm pausing the video. I will get back to you after the completion of the installation. Now we are back. Installation has been completed. Now we are going to reboot the server. I am also going to pause the video because it will take time to complete the boot process. So pressing the enter key. Now friends, boot process has been completed. You can customize the system and view the logs by pressing the F2 key. So we are doing that. Okay. Now you can see lots of options here to configure and see the support system logs. So we will explore all these options and initial configuration in the next video. Hope friends you have liked this video. So if you have liked this video, kindly comment and share it. Thanks for watching.